Are you eager to kickstart your IT career but feeling overwhelmed by where to begin? Have you scoured YouTube for guidance only to find yourself more confused than ever? Well, you come to the right place. Today, I'm here to provide clarity on what it takes to embark on your journey into the world of IT by comparing two of the best beginner certifications. But first, why should you listen to me? My name is JR, and I bring to the table over 6 years of hands-on experience in the IT industry, currently holding these certifications. My background spans across various domains in IT, including help desk support, networking, cybersecurity, and leading multi-billion-dollar projects in my industry. From managing resources to driving teams to multiple successful accolades as an IT manager, I've navigated the ins and outs of the IT landscape firsthand. Now, you might be wondering how I progressed from an IT newbie to an IT manager in just 6 years. That's a story for another day. Today, let's focus on you. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance in your IT career, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Before we dive in, I want to encourage you to watch all the way to the end. By the conclusion of this video, you will know where to start and which certification is best for you. So, are you ready? Let's dive in together. Well, you've been searching on the internet or YouTube, and you come across countless certifications and IT gurus, each discussing the merits of different pathways. One name you likely encounter time and time again is CompTIA. You've probably seen CompTIA Security Plus, a CompTIA A+, CompTIA ITF, CompTIA that, and the list goes on. But what exactly is CompTIA? According to Google, CompTIA is the industry standard for launching IT careers and teaches core technologies from security to networking to virtualization. But what is all that? Essentially, CompTIA is the leading provider of IT certifications and training programs that are widely recognized in the industry. They offer certifications like CompTIA Security Plus, CompTIA A+, and CompTIA ITF, and many more. These certifications cover a range of essential IT skills and knowledge, making them valuable credentials to have in today's job market. I will leave their link in the description of this video for more information. And no, I am not sponsored by them. Now, when it comes to starting your IT journey, there are two certifications from CompTIA that I highly recommend: CompTIA IT Fundamentals Plus and CompTIA A+. These certifications cater to different stages of your entry into the IT field. So let's explore the requirements, costs, and IT areas that each of these certifications covers. CompTIA IT Fundamentals. This certification requires zero experience. Yes, you heard me right, zero. And serve as a foundational step to those who are brand new to IT, covering essential concepts and skills to build a solid understanding of the field. The cost for the exam for these certifications is $138, and you must pass a multiple choice exam with around 75 questions. Now, what does this certification cover? CompTIA certification exams are divided into domains. The ITF exam covers the following domains: IT concepts and technologies, infrastructure, applications and software, software development, database fundamentals, and security. Each domain is weighted differently towards the score of your test. Next, we'll shift our focus to CompTIA A+. This certification requires 9 to 12 months of hands-on experience in the lab or in the field, and is a comprehensive certification designed for individuals looking to launch their IT careers or advance in the field. With a broader scope and a deeper technical knowledge, CompTIA A+ is ideal for those with some experience in IT or seeking entry-level positions. Now, A+ has 2 exams instead of 1. Yes, you heard me correctly, 2 of them. So what about the cost? The cost for each exam to obtain this certification is $253 per test, for a total of $506. They offer bundles and different offers in their website, so check the description below. Also, this means you will have to pass 2 multiple choice exams with a max of 90 questions each. Now, what A+ exam covers? As mentioned above, CompTIA exams are divided into domains. The A+ is 2 exams, each of them has its own domains. The exams are called Core 1 and Core 2. Normally the name for the exam will be like CompTIA A plus 1101, meaning the core number 1, and 1102 is the core number 2. The number just means the version of the test you will take in. Not important score in this video, but I can cover more in a different video if you'd like me to. Just let me know below. Now, in the latest version of CompTIA A plus Core 1, the domains are mobile devices, networking, hardware, virtualizations and cloud computing, and hardware and network troubleshooting. In A plus Core 2, operating systems, security, software troubleshooting, and operational procedures. Each domain is also weighted differently, and well, you know the rest. Now, we covered these 2 certifications, and let me tell you which certification is best for you. But hold on, before we do that, let me do a quick recap comparison of both. Both CompTIA IT Fundamentals Plus and CompTIA A Plus certification offer valuable entry points into the IT industry. CompTIA IT Fundamentals is ideal for beginners with zero experience, covering essential IT concepts and skills. It requires passing a single multiple choice exam with approximately 75 questions and costs $138. On the other hand, CompTIA A Plus is more comprehensive and suited for individuals with 9 to 12 months of hands-on experience, and it consists of 2 exams, Core 1 and Core 2, each with a maximum of 90 multiple choice questions. The total cost for both exams is $506. While CompTIA IT Fundamentals Plus provides a foundational understanding of IT, CompTIA A Plus delves deeper into topics like hardware, networking, security, and troubleshooting. So which certification is best for you? Well, it depends on your current knowledge of the industry, your financial situation, and your career goals. If you're a high school student living at home, a recent graduate, or just someone with very basic IT knowledge or no knowledge at all, looking to enter into the field, CompTIA IT Fundamentals Plus might be the ideal choice due to its low cost and no experience requirements. On the other hand, if you already have some IT experience, maybe working in labs at a college, or a basic understanding of IT concepts from tinkering with equipment at home, you might consider going straight to CompTIA A+. Despite its higher cost and 2 exam format, A+ could be a better fit if you're confident in your foundational knowledge. However, if you prefer to start from the very bottom and play it safe, IT Fundamental is always an option. Now, if you like this video so far, you know what to do. As far as my recommendation, I started my journey with CompTIA A+. I had some IT knowledge from a long time ago. Think Windows XP. Do you know what that is? Exactly. Despite having outdated IT experience, I still remember some of the basic fundamentals of IT. It was the logical step for me at the time. CompTIA IT Fundamentals wasn't an option back then. I think the exam first came after I had my A+, but many companies back then offered courses to prepare you for the CompTIA A+, that in essence, it was like IT Fundamentals. These days, there are multiple resources online to prepare you for both certifications. If you would like to see a video that covers something like that, please let me know in the comments below. So, consider your options carefully and choose the path that aligns best with your skills and aspirations. Thank you for watching until the end. JR out. See you next time.